Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to connect your Phantom wallet to Pump Fun. So it's really simple. So open up your Phantom wallet basically and then you go to the browser right here and then you search in the search tab pump.fun and then press connect wallet in the top right corner and select Phantom. So it will automatically connect it to your actual wallet that you already signed into and then there you go. So now you are connected to your Pump Fun. So now you can purchase Pump Fun coins right here. So let's just choose a random one right here. So let's just check out the chart and it looks pretty good for now. So I'm pretty liking this right now. So here all you have to do is buy and sell. So of course it will take the profit or the actual initial coins you have in your Phantom wallet right here. So place trade. Once you place a trade, it's gonna ask you to confirm the transaction in your Phantom wallet. So there you go. So that's how you connect your Phantom wallet to Pump.Fun.